Hi, what's up, Shiba Inu holder? Shiba Inu holder, this is live price prediction in last 24-hour minus 9.52% loss now. So therefore, I make this special video for all my viewers, my subscriber too. As you can see here, the chart is clearly tell us, my friend, to the price is very badly fails down. So kindly holder, please be focused on this chart because this is very important. As you can see, whether this time they clearly fails down. So that's mean to the price will fails down, the price will decreasing now. Minus 9.53%, they will lost now and just in only 24 hours. So I think this is very huge fails, and please remember, my brothers, to absolutely after a fails every coin will take up and moving upward now. So therefore I know to upcoming time, my friend, the price of Shiba Inu will be increasing now, but if just and only, my friend, you need, my brothers, to hold now. So therefore, my friend, the Shiba Inu price will moving upward now. In the current price, as you can see here, 0.0507 USD dollar, but the highest price is 0.4508 USD dollar. So that's mean, obviously, the price will moving upward very slowly. And I know, my brothers, to upcoming time they will gonna be right now, but this time absolutely the condition is very critical now. But don't be, my brother, I know to upcoming time there is 80% chance, my brothers, to the price will moving upward now. But if you are starting selling, so there is a 0% chance that they will moving upward and they will fade down. So kindly don't sell it, hold it, and please remember, my brothers, to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.